Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 full screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just click here, type GeForce Experience. If you can't find it, just download it from your browser. And now let's take GTA 5 as an example and go to details and then click here this icon. And that's it. Now just click this one and make sure to select full screen, and you can select windowed borderless if you want it, and then select your screen resolution, and that's it. Now just click apply and then go back. And now if you want to launch it, just launch it from GeForce Experience. Click launch, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.